Huh?
Hi, Mila and Morphle. It seems that I have the flu, and I'm unable to do my work.
Can we help you, Mr. Joe? Morphle, help!
These vehicles need to be delivered to their owners quickly. But I have this list.
Uh-oh. All the names of the vehicle's owners are smudged. But I think we can still figure it out. Morphle, morph into a big red truck. I think the tractor needs to go to Police Officer Freeze.
Police officer need a tractor?
Yep, I think that is what it says on the list.
But this...
I'm sorry, Police Officer Freeze, but we're in a hurry. It doesn't seem right, but I think it says that we should drop off the police car here. Oh?
Whoa! Sorry. Oops. I didn't see you there.
This is impossible! Not so fast!
Oh no! I think we made a mistake, Morphle. Morph into a police car too.
Morphle, catch them!
Now, let's try to use our brains and bring the vehicles to the right owners. I think this tractor belongs to Farmer Bob. And the ice cream truck must belong to the ice cream man.
Yeah!
Hey, Mila and Morphle. How did it go?
Everything has been delivered, Mr. Joe.
Oh, great. Was the list of any help?
Well... Morphle, wait! Where are you going? So this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Come on, Sammy. You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy. Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Are all doggies ready? 5,
We are late, Morphle,
4,
but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Barky. Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho, hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.
I'm the strongest superhero. I can easily lift up this car. Morphle, let's help him out. I'm a superhero too, and I can fly. Whee! Woo-hoo!
Help! Help! Barky only wants to play. He won't bite. Get that thing out of here!
Leave that woman alone, mister.
Whatever. Thank you very much, superheroes. Who can I thank for this? What are your names?
We can't tell you. We are the masked superheroes, and we have secret identities.
Give back those awards! But I never got any awards in high school.
Yeah, now I am officially the #1 ballet dancer.
Okay. Here are the awards back.
No. You can keep that one.
It says, best at getting caught.
We are champions, Stein. Yeah.
We are standing here with the people that saved all the city's awards. We have one question for you. Who are you?
We can't tell you. We are the masked superheroes, and we have secrets. I'm Troy. I'm April. Morphle. Oh.
The forest is full of all sorts of different animals. No. There are no tigers in the forest. They live in the jungle. But there are bees and ants living there, and little bunnies.
Aw, he's cute. You look like a very big bunny now, Morphle.
There are no kangaroos in the forest. They live on the plains of Australia.
Wow, is that a fox?
Yes, Sarah. That's a very beautiful little fox.
Monkey!
No. There are no monkeys in the forest. You will never see any monkeys here.
Look! Monkeys!
Oh, these naughty monkeys escaped from the zoo when I told them it was time for their bath. Whew. How will I ever find them here in this forest?
Don't worry, Zookeeper Kenneth. I think we can help.
A parrot? Ah, that's the first one. A dog? And the second one. A crocodile? And that's the third. I'm sorry you have to take a bath, but, how about some ice cream when you're clean? Monkeys in this forest. How about that?
I think any animal could be in the forest when Morphle is around.
Oh no, the magic letters are gone. I had every letter of the alphabet in my truck.
Is that one of them, Daddy?
Ah, yes, it's the T for tree.
Look over there, in that yellow car. The C for car, and the Y for yellow.
Here, everything you catch with this Magic Pet transporter hoop will end up in the Magic Pet store. Will the two of you catch all of the letters for me, Mila?
Of course, Daddy. Let's start with the A, Morphle. Aeroplane. That's right. Let's find an airplane. The H of helicopter. Bitch! You're right! Look, Morphle, the O of ocean. Look! The Eye of Island! X marks the spot. Morphle! Morph into an excavator! There's the G on the garage. Let's keep on going, Morphle. The D for desert. The V for volcano. The N for the North Pole. The J for jungle. It's the E for elephant. Do you know any other special places where the magic letters could be? It's moon. You're right. Let's go to the moon. It's the S for space.
Say, are you looking for this little guy?
The U for UFO.
I was on my way to Professor Rashid, but I got lost.
Don't worry, we'll get you there.
Oh, tumbling test tubes.
Look, it's the L for laboratory.
Maybe that also explains why there is a Q in my quantum physics experiment.
them. F is for fire truck. P is for policeman.
Huh?
R is for racetrack. Do you know where we can find the Z, Morphle? Sure. That's right. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Hey.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. What brings you to the zoo?
We're looking for all the magic letter pets, and we only need the Z for zoo.
Well, it sounds like your friends are waiting for you.
Oh, Mila and Morphle. Hello, Mr. Mayor. Hello there. I have a problem I was hoping you could help me with. Oh, what is it? Well, this part of the town has lots of plants and trees, But the rest of the town could use some more of them. Maybe one of your magic pets could help with getting some trees from the forest to the city. Aha! With the Nimi's help, the trees can walk to the city themselves. Great! Now it's up to you, Animi. All these trees need to go to the city.
Can you find a nice spot in the city? It needs more trees. You look tired, Animi. Are you okay?
Animi needs to rest for a bit, but when it's rested, we'll make many more trees come alive. Why don't you go and see how the trees are doing in the city?
Yeah.
Not in my city. You need to move, Mr. Tree.
Whoa! Not over there. Now I can't get back inside anymore.
What? Oh, no. Now I can't continue building.
Oh, not again.
Hi, Mr. Mayor.
Ah, there you are. This whole tree business isn't working at all.
Uh-oh. How can we help?
Can you bring all the trees back again, please?
Of course. Morph into a helicopter.
Tell your daddy to stop making more trees.
Animi, stop bringing the trees to life.
What's wrong, Mila?
The trees are causing all sorts of problems in the city.
Oops. We'll stop.
Not in my city.
Wow. Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
Thank you, Morphle. Now I can finally get back inside.
What? Where did the trees go?
I think that was the last one. Yeah! We brought all the trees back, Mr. Mayor.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
We'll bring it back.
No need. This one can stay. Phew. Come, Telefox. I've got a surprise for you. Have a look in the backyard.
Morphle, look at you. Bicycle. It's a new bed for Telefox.
He's gonna love it. I'll throw the old one away.
Oh, no surprise in the backyard. Ta-da! Telefox, no like. Aw, I think he's looking for his old bed. I think he went outside. Let's go after him. Morphle, morph into a race car. Uh-oh, Telefox isn't on the car anymore. Look!
Oh no!
Hey, Telefox, I'm sure that's not your old bed. Telefox, gone!
Ooh, phew. Oh no!
What happened?
I got scared and threw my box of ice cream in the tree.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Thank you so much. Now I can serve ice cream again. To you.
Ice cream! Thank you. Thank you. But we don't know where Telefox went. Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can see him from the air.
Shoot! I didn't mean to do that, Marky.
I think Telefox has been here too.
Marky! Stop it!
Yeah, but not anymore. Where could he have... Aha! Daddy said he threw Telefox's old bed away. And where do things go when you throw them away? Garbage dump! Yeah! Oh, it smells in here. There it is! Telefox, we found your old bed! Telefox! Now let's take you and your bed back to the Magic Pet store.
So, Telefox was looking for his old bed? Okay, you can keep it. After we wash the garbage smell out of it. Blah!